Hello, if we are a business owner or accounting professional who would like to get a better understanding of what our accounting software is doing, or a student of accounting or any student taking accounting who would like to get a better understanding of what our accounting textbook is doing, this course is a course for us. If we're somebody who wants to get a better understanding of the basics, the fundamentals, the things used every day within Excel, this course is a course for us. One problem that business owners, accounting professionals, and accounting students have in common is that they're always focused on one small thing at a time and often losing sight of the bigger picture and how the small component that they are looking at fits into and relates to that bigger picture. Business owners always focusing in on revenue and cash flow. Accounting professionals always focusing in on their component of the accounting process, whether that be accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll. Accounting students always focusing in on one small component, one chapter at a time of the big picture as the textbook puts together that big picture. Comprehensive problems often help us to see that big picture. Comprehensive problems often not being done within standard accounting textbooks or with accounting software being designed to limit the amount of data input to as little as possible to do things as quickly as possible, but the result often being that we don't get to see really what is happening. Textbooks being limited by what can be done with paper and pencils, therefore needing to reduce the amount of content they have in their problems. If we use something like Excel and walk through the components of Excel, learn those basic components step by step, it will allow us to have the functionality to do some of these longer problems without losing the ability to see the connections as accounting software does, and therefore be able to see what is going on in that bigger picture. The formulas we're looking at are just really the sum function and adding and subtracting cells within Excel. Why take this course? We're going to learn accounting and Excel. We'll learn the basics of accounting and Excel at the same time. This is the most efficient way to learn both accounting and Excel. If we have some understanding of accounting or Excel, we can use those tools in order to help us advance that knowledge and to learn the other component of accounting or Excel. Both skills being critical to just about any business setting these days. What will be included? In addition to instructional videos that will walk us through step by step the processes of entering journal entries into a worksheet, learning both Excel and accounting at the same time, we will also be including comprehensive Excel worksheets that will include an answer tab so you can see what will be done before we do the problem, as well as a worksheet to enter the information into so that you can work through the problem step by step as we go. We're also going to include a separate worksheet for each new step we make. Therefore, you could go forward and you don't have to do the whole course in order. You could jump to any component you would like and or redo any component you would like by just downloading the worksheet that will be relevant to the component that you would like to be working through. In other words, you don't have to do the whole problem in order to work through the worksheet with us. You could jump forward and go back in time. The Excel worksheets will look something like this, where we have both the tab to work the problem and the answer tab so that we can see the answer before or after the problem and then go through the problem and work through it along with the instructional video. Who will we be learning from? We're going to be learning from somebody who has practical accounting experience as a practicing certified public accountant, someone who has teaching experience within business and accounting, and someone who has curriculum design experience putting together comprehensive courses. Someone who is a certified public accountant, has a chartered global management accountant designation, a master's of science in taxation, and is a certified post-secondary instructor and has a lot of teaching experience in accounting and business courses, and curriculum development design expert, having the ability to put together complex courses in a way that makes sense so that students get what they need, and also have the ability to move forward in the course and go back in time within the course as students generally like. What will we learn? We're going to be recording and posting journal entries into a comprehensive Excel problem, learning the components of Excel as we go, including addition, subtraction, and summing up long columns of numbers. We're going to be journalizing journal entries. If you don't know what that is, that's okay. We're going to learn that as we go. We're going to be posting to the general ledger terms we will be learning as we go as well. Create a trial balance, And then we're going to generate the financial statements, including the balance sheet, income statement, and statement of equity. How will we be taught? Through viewing and doing. We will provide an Excel worksheet which will have an answer tab as well as a tab to work through the problem. We can see the answer tab before we work through the problem and then use the Excel sheet as we go through the problem and complete the exercises as we go. Presentation quality. Presentation quality, in essence, will be the quality that we have here. This is not going to be an advertisement video of much higher quality than what you will be receiving. What you see now is, in essence, what will be received in terms of presentation quality. And you'll also receive other resources, including the Excel documents to work through the problem. Please join us for Accounting and Excel Debits and Credits. It's going to be great. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info.